Welcome to our guide on troubleshooting your Onn TV that won't turn on. If your TV is unresponsive, the first step is to check the power source. Ensure that the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the TV. Next, try a different outlet to rule out any issues with the current one. If your TV still doesn't turn on, locate the power button on the TV itself. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to see if it responds. If the TV powers on, your remote control may need new batteries. Speaking of remote controls, make sure there are no obstructions between the remote and the TV. Sometimes, a simple reset can resolve the issue. Unplug the TV from the wall, wait for about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. If your Onn TV still does not turn on, check for any indicator lights. If the standby light is on but the screen remains black, it may be a software issue. In this case, you can try performing a factory reset through the TV menu, if accessible. If none of these steps work, it may be time to reach out to customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope your Onn TV is up and running soon.